Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox Series X controller to a PlayStation 5. To begin, understand that a direct, native connection isn't possible. You'll need a specialized third-party adapter. These devices act as a translator, allowing your Xbox controller to communicate with the PS5. They usually plug into one of the console's USB ports. This simple addition opens up a world of cross-platform gaming possibilities, letting you use your preferred controller. When selecting an adapter, prioritize reputable brands like Brook Wingman or Mayflash Magic S Pro. These are well regarded for their stability and performance. Look for features such as low latency to ensure your button presses register instantly, providing a seamless gaming experience. A good quality adapter typically costs between $20 and $50, a small investment for expanded controller freedom. Always check reviews to ensure compatibility and user satisfaction before purchasing. To connect first, plug your adapter into one of the PlayStation 5's USB ports. Next, put the adapter into its pairing mode. This is usually done by pressing a button on the adapter itself, and you'll often see a light flashing. Then, grab your Xbox Series X controller and hold down the small pairing button located on the top edge until its light begins to flash. The adapter and controller should then connect, indicated by a solid light on the adapter, signifying a successful pairing. It's important to note that while your Xbox controller will work, some advanced PlayStation 5 features, such as haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, might not be fully supported. Always keep your adapter's firmware updated. Manufacturers frequently release updates to improve compatibility and performance. Also, be mindful that button mapping might vary slightly across different games. Finally, ensure your adapter remains compatible with any future PlayStation 5 system software updates to maintain a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.